Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you 2-octave 5-string sweep arpeggios. I'm going to demonstrate it with an A minor chord and then the A major chord. First, let's work on the A minor. We're going to begin with the A note on the 12th fret of A with our pinky, and then we're going to proceed from there, raking down. I'll do this without the volume in the beginning. A, C, E, A, C, E. We're going to do the pull off. So it's going to be A, C, E, A, C to the pull off, back to the A, now with the volume off, you learn to do this. With a little volume, you're getting. After you've got that 3-finger motion down, we then go back to learning 1 finger more at a time. So you add a little volume again. Then you add in the next note. How to get that speed. So what you start with is, again, we're going to roll it. The rolling thing I explained in the first video. We're going to roll it. Then you're going to add a finger each time. It's really about finger and brain memorization, of memorizing where to go so you can do it quickly. So you really just have to start slowly and then build the speed up. As you memorize it better, you'll do it faster. Then you just throw your volume up and you gracefully come through it. If you're muting it, then sometimes you might mute one note more than another, and it's not a big deal. You're really looking for the technique to be done. Because when you roll through it at a higher volume, it seems like it's a little easier to get all the notes out because you don't have to mute them so hard. So there's different places you can start this arpeggio from. We can begin it, obviously, from the A, but now we can begin it from this E and go. So you start here and you work on breaking it down to this. Again, a little volume. Add a little more volume. I'm going to get a strong pull off there. Without that strong pull off, the whole thing is going to sound weak. So you want to get that pull off. The other place you can start it from is the C. This is why it is so important to go back to that first video I put up about how to memorize your fretboard, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. You need to know those notes on all the boards on each string so that when we call out notes and you're looking for stuff, you can find it no problem and you can follow whatever you're watching. So in this case, we're just breaking it down to the C. I'm going to start on the C note now, all the way back. We can start with a pull-off hammer-on thing. You can also practice picking it. This is great to just practice alternate picking up and down the strings. If you wanted to change it out from a sweep to a pick and go alternate picking it. I guess you could kind of rake it in between there, throw a little up with a rake. Something like that, or you could do all the way across it, alternating it. You could start it from the E and just do the pull-off move and go. There's a lot of different ways to do a 5-string sweep. And if you were going to make this major, then the only thing you would have to change out is just the 2 C sharps. So if you know where the C's were, you're going to take these 2 notes and you're just going to move them to C sharps. And now instead of the second finger, it'll be the third finger here from A, C sharp. Instead of A to C, it's now C sharp. There's the C sharp now. Then your E. And you would just rake it down. I hope that helps you guys understand what a 2-octave sweep arpeggio is. Stay tuned for more videos on more octave arpeggios. Have a great day.